get this started. $2,000 bonus hunt. We have what, 11 bonuses to get through. 74x required because some of them are like a $4 or $5 bonus. Well, bet size, I should say. Good luck, everybody. We're gonna be starting off with Cash Crew on a $2 bet. It is a 3 scat banger. Good luck to everybody as I eat my ice cream. No, that would have been a really good grab. I would take. Oh. Hello? We need a retrig here, right? Right? Bro, no way.
No.
No way. Ew.
Cash Crew has been playing me too.
There's 4 wilds on the board. What was that?
Did it to me last game.
There's 4 wilds on the board. That's crazy talk. I haven't seen that do that in a long time, but it's what it is. 3640. Again, it's a spun in bonus, so it is what it is. It gets one banger. Nope, does not do it for us. No back-to-back there. Bean Boy's up next. I believe it's a $2 bet as well. It is. It's only a 3 scout. Nah. I doubt shit like Bean Boys is gonna pay more than 10x. Really? Oh, hold on. Timeout. Hold on. We're gonna rewind this shit right here. Widgets? No. Integrations? Nope. Interactions. Community betting. Free prediction. Profit or not? Yes. Yes. No. No. You guys have all of 2 minutes to get into profit or not. Wait, hold on. Tell me I'm not in the right fucking profile. I'll be so angry. Here we go. Of course we're not. Why would we be? Do that one more time. Yes, yes, no, and no. All of 2 minutes to get this in, guys.
Tumbling like crazy. It just won't let me in.
Yeah, Sweet Bonanza it was doing that shit to me before.
Tumbling like crazy, bro.
Guys, get into the community betting.
What
is this right here? What is that? Is that
I need to get into this fucking game.
What is Yeah, there's the chair that's in here is doing weird shit to the fuck out of there. Fucking chair. Goddamn Freddy in his chair. The hell.
Okay, don't judge my chair.
Bet as much points as you want. If you guys all, let's see. Everybody's betting yes right now. If everybody bets yes, I'll just bet no. We'll see how many points are there, and I'll bet no on the opposite side. Here, guys, here. So everybody has some points to mess around with. There. Have some fun. Oh. Hold on. There we go. Too many L's. How I dance in the club, guys. If you're wondering. Only 2 participants? Only 2 people? Y'all have problems. Alright, screw you guys. Apparently you guys can't follow directions. Guys can't follow. Do you want me to redo it? What up, Unbeatable? I'll cancel this one. You guys can redo it. You guys got 2 minutes. Give you 2 minutes. Go ahead. Get after it. I'll even play the bonuses so I can give you guys. Why couldn't we get a couple more there? That would have been really, really nice. Really nice if we had 2 there. 1, 2, bang them. Nice, 2 spins. Right here. Oh, come on, broski. Right? 2 of them. I'm just waiting for the day. I'm waiting for the day still, guys. Still waiting for the day. 75-60 out of Bean Boys. Like, just, I'm waiting for the day that shit just drops. Fucking bang them. Right here. Gonna do it right there. Gonna have all of them just go boom, and go right across the goddamn screen. 75-60 out of Bean Boys. Nothing crazy, but it's better than nothing. Evil Eye's up next. 3 scatter. Evil Eyes actually paid us $800 during the bonus hunt.
Ace fucking hit.
Ace
bro.
hit. So it actually gave us some more, but it didn't matter. I should have just bought a bunch of other bonuses with that $800, but I didn't. I decided to keep spinning and it all went bye. Hello? Dude, internet problems. Got that Taco Bell connection going on today. Damn, you guys are like, no? Everybody's saying no? Okay. I see how it is. Next up is Evil Eyes, 3 scat. Again, I like Evil Eyes. The 3 and or 4 scat, go right. Is actually really good. Even if it went right, it would have been nice. Okay. Good. Up. Okay. Doesn't matter. Down. Good. It's weak. Go up, buddy. Go up, though. Okay, we'll take it. First one's juicing. Go left a little bit. Okay. First one's juicing. Let's just get a bunch of eyes and they'll all hit each other. 15? Need a multi on 1 or 2 here. Need a save. Save. Damn, even. Uh-oh. Who dat? Oh, we got a new, look at that, new subscriber on YouTube. How nice is that guy? See? He's a nice guy. Unlike you fuckers that watch me on here. $88 out of Evil Eyes. Up next is Slayers Inc. Another 3 scat, but doesn't matter really. Honestly, I think the 4 and 3 scat on Slayers Inc. It literally acts exactly the same. Except that you have the opportunity for the slasher, which, like, it doesn't even come up. Why did you bet on Bean Boys paying? Because it could pay. You never know. You never know, bro. Anything could pay. You know? Alright, Slayers, let's do this. We want to see 3. Okay. 9x at least. We'll take it. We want to see 3, buddy. Come on. Full screen would be phenomenal, but I'm not gonna get my hopes up. Come on, brother. Come on. 3 spins to go. Can we get 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4? Okay, anything? 2 anywhere? Anything?
Oh my god.
Can't help but love when bonuses literally shove it so far up your rear end. You know what I'm saying? Like that's not cool. That's not cool. Well, up next is Book of Time. Since the first couple of slots haven't really paid us at all, hopefully this will do something for us. I was really hoping we would get into the super here. I enjoy this slot. It's one of the first slots that we had that came out like this. There's been a lot that have been copying it since, but or reskins. Retrigger here is massive. Hello? 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 Cool, man. Cool, man. Guys, do you guys know we're doing a bonus on today? Does anybody know we're doing a bonus on today? I just want to make sure that 21 Bits knows that we're doing it. I know, my luck is insane. Like, I haven't had so much luck in my entire life that it's how could I ever think that I was unlucky before this, you know? Absolutely crazy. All right, well, up next is Le Bandit, another 3 scatter. You know, the only thing I have a problem with, like, doing actual spins with, like, bonuses that have supers is that the 3 scats are, like, so on most of them. Like, the 3 scatter on this is, like, what's the point? Everything has to go right here. You gotta fill it all up. Then get the rainbow, and if the rainbow comes early, there's no guarantee. Okay, you know what? That's not bad at all. I will take that. Thank you very much, because you are literally the best slot so far, and I was talking so much shit about you a second ago. So I'm sorry. I'll shut. Ace, shut my mouth. Another pot. Okay. Yes. Can we get one more pot or a multi here? Pot. Multi in the same exact spot. That's crazy talk. Okay. Again, shutting my mouth. I'm sorry, Le Bandit, for talking smack. You're right. I deserve a smack in the mouth. One more? You won't. You won't. You won't. You won't. 278.60. Finally something. The Bandit literally tells me to shut my goddamn mouth. That's pretty much it. What's up, Prank? How you doing, man? I'll take that. I don't know who has Le Bandit so far, because that is definitely the highest multi with 138x. 1000%. New slot Chicken Rush. Well, it's new to me. I don't really play it. I haven't played this until somebody mentioned it yesterday in the slot for slot. We actually just spun into it. I got busy and some shit. What do you mean? Yeah, no problem. Oh, that's right. Yeah. Yeah, create that ticket and send over. Just follow the directions. Devil will help you out with it most likely. But if not, just when you sign up for 21 bits, send me the ETH address and we'll get you paid out. Yeah, brother, no problem. Take your time. Okay, we'll take that. Gotta put the sound on here. I can't put the sound on here. Hello? Oh. I can't do anything. There's no sound. Oh, right here. Good. Got it. Found it.
Bro, I've been spinning Sweet Bonanza for the past like 25 minutes and have not gotten into one bonus.
A lot of spins, really, but it's keeping you on, right? Like the base.
Yeah, it's the tumbles. It's tumbling.
Okay, thank you. We need multis, my man. Don't do this. Multis, please. Come on. Where are the multis? Multis, thank you. No, dynamite hit, something hit. Good, multis. No. Nice. Wish that was the other way around, but it's okay. Multis, please. 3 spins to go. Okay. This is, if we get a multi here, that'd be really nice, but like, that's a, we got this symbol, right? And we, like, that's a joke. Is this a joke, guys? Is this legit a joke? It's all right. That's a $3 bet too. I don't even know what to say right now. I don't even know what to say. Somebody help me. Anybody want to anybody know how to make a noose up? Just kidding, I shouldn't say shit like that. I shouldn't say things like that. That's not cool. What the fuck was that? We got $0. Sweet Bonanza up next. I believe this is a $4 or $5 bet. Please, God, do something. Gotta do something here for us, Sweet. Gotta do something for us, buddy. No. Good. Bananas or something. Okay. Watermelons or drop another. Good. Watermelons. Multi, please. Multi, please. Okay. Drop. Okay. That's fine. That's fine. Free trade. Really wish that you dropped a goddamn multi on that. Okay, 10x, that's good. Not the best, but it's good. Okay, bananas, or what the fuck is going on right now? What the I just don't get what's happening right now. I literally don't understand what's happening right now. We haven't had, the only 100x we've had is La Bandit. Everything else has been shit. That's a 30x right there. That's insane to me. This is insane to me. My God. Well, Sweet Bonanza shits the bed per usual. Doghouse Megaway's up next. If anybody ever wants to know how gambling is, show them this bonus hunt. Show this. I want you to show them this. Because let me tell you, that is shitty. All right. All right, Doghouse. Do something for us, please. It's very nice. I appreciate you. Please drop 4. Okay, that's fine too. Please drop 4. Drop 4, drop 4. Oh my God. That's gonna be big, right? Isn't it? That's gotta be big. Nice. Good. Drop 4 now. Drop it. Come on, buddy. Drop 4. Drop 4. Nice. That's gonna be huge. Right? What is that?
That's bones.
Dude, that's got, I know that, but what is this? Oh, 16, let's go. We're in fucking profit for this. No wonder the other fucking things were. Oh, no wonder the other bonuses were such shit. No wonder the other bonuses were such shit.
Let's go.
Yeah,
Another
let's fucking
900.
go. Let's go. No wonder.
There you go.
No
You
wonder
fucking
the other
profited
bonuses
on
were such
one
shit.
spin. One bonus brought you into profit land.
That's the. Fuck yes. No wonder the other bonuses were such shit. I was like, yo, where is our RTP at? There it is, right there. That's what I'm talking about. 3,110.25. Let's fucking go right into profit land. Everybody who said that we weren't getting profit, you can jump off a goddamn. Ha. Jump off that bridge. I'm paying those motherfuckers out right away. That's what you guys get. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Good shit, doghouse. Good shit.
This is the true, literally, this is the true meaning of gambling.
Right? I just explained that.
Then shit, and then you get this.
That's what I'm fucking talking about, baby. All right. All right. You know what? It was all worth it. It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine. Zeus vs. Hades up next. Thank you. Thank you, Doghouse, for letting me in. That was a spun-in bonus, by the way, too. Well, they actually, as I said before, they're all spun-in bonuses except for this one. Let's go.
I would wish Sweet would let me in once, you know? Like, I don't
Are
even
you
want
on
to get
double
off this
chance?
game.
Did you put on double chance?
Yeah, of
Okay,
course.
I just want to make sure. God damn, Doghouse. That was awesome. Early? 7? Okay. Okay, 1 and 2. Just double drop 1, 2. Double drop 1, 2. Bang, bang. Come on. 2? Can you just give us 2 at least? Give us a chance. Give us a... Nice! That's hitting. That's hitting. Good. That's hitting 80s with an 11x. Perfect. It's almost profit right there. Right? No, 110. Okay, good. Another hit. Come on, drop 1. Drop 1 or 2. Drop 1 or 2. Good, another big hit. This is gonna profit big time. Let's go. Drop 1 or 2. Come on, baby. Drop 1 or 2. 1 or 2. Nice Phoenixes and cups. Okay, here's the RTP. We found it. Oh, I wish that was...
Aces all the way,
That would have been, you know, if there was Hades right here in top left, that would have been one full line and a 4 banger. It's only a $50 profit, but it's all good because guess what? It's all motherfucking gravy now, bitches. It's all gravy. Chaos Crew 2, last slot of the bonus hunt coming up right now. Again, spun in bonus on Chaos Crew. Super. Easy, I'm winning. Devil, I think, is winning, right? Who has the top? Who's at the top? Oh, it is Pro. 4-4-4-4. Nice. Nice, Pro. Easy win. Who is guess the highest multi right now? Did anybody have the doghouse? Anybody have doghouse? Nobody. Chaos, Starlight, Evil Eye. Who put? Oh, Book of Time, La Bandit, Cash Crew, Sweet Bonanza, Sweet. You guys are horrible pickers. Come on, Cash. Come on, Chaos. Shit. Ooh, 20x though. Okay. Take that, Cat 1. Ooh, 10x there too. Ooh. Big. Cats anywhere. Good. Good save. Cats anywhere. Cat anywhere. Literally cat anywhere. Cat anywhere, please. Save. Good. Come on, cat. Nice. Big. Good. This is 60s. Come on, cat anywhere. We're good. Cat and preferably 5. Anywhere. Save. Save. We'll take it. It's all good. We will take it. What is that? 250? Perfect. Perfect. Can't ask for much more. I know it's a super, and